In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your Facebook friends list. So to hide your Facebook friends list, this is a super simple thing to do. So the first thing you will need to do is open up your Facebook app. Once you open up your Facebook app, you will need to head over to the three lines in the top right hand corner. Once you click on the three lines, you can now scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy, and then you will need to click on the drop down menu. Once you click on the drop down menu, you can now click on the Settings tab. And then once you click on the Settings tab, you will need to scroll down until you find Audience and Visibility. Once you find Audience and Visibility, there is an option now for how people can find and contact you. If you click on that option, what that will do is it will bring you to these options here. And as you can see, second from the top, there is an option for who can see your friends list. If you click on who can see your friends list, you can now select friends, friends accept, and if you click on see more, you can click on specific friends or only me. So if you want to hide your friends list totally from anyone on your Facebook friends list, guys, what you can do is click on only me. And then what that will do is it will only allow you to see your friends list on Facebook. So it's just as simple to do, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I'll see you in the next one.